President Biden signed the big bill, making it official, giving a huge sigh of relief for Social Security recipients. So, if you're on Social Security, you'll see exactly why this may benefit you. And also, because of this, there is an official June payout schedule. It wasn't what we thought it was before. I'll let you know the official June payout schedule for Social Security recipients. And President Biden, now with that big mess out of the way, President Biden has a plan for change-ups to Social Security, two of them giving a higher pay, one of them specifically giving out an additional $485 to Social Security recipients. I'll let you know how that works. So the first article we'll go over is this one. Biden signs bipartisan bill that suspends debt limit until 2025, and I'll let you know specifically what President Biden is saying about Social Security and that. Then also the June payout schedule. Now that we have an official payout schedule for Social Security, not affected by this debt ceiling crisis. And then also the four change-ups that President Biden wants to make to Social Security. Two of them, as mentioned before, giving a higher pay. Let you know how you could get that potential $485 check from Social Security. So if you're on Social Security, make sure you watch the entire video. You don't want to miss a thing. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate how I'm giving you Social Security updates, letting you know exactly what is going on, showing you the article, showing you the proof, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want more Social Security updates of exactly what is going on. So first, this is the big news right here. Biden signs bipartisan bill that suspends debt limit until 2025 and cuts spending. So this is going back and forth. It happened just a couple of days before the deadline of June 5th, and who knows if that was actually the real deadline, but that's what they're saying. So basically, the White House has announced the signing of it. Looks like the House passed it, the Senate passed it, President Biden signed it, making it official, which means we don't have to worry about this debt drama anymore. So more specifically, what President Biden said about it is passing this budget agreement was critical. The stakes could not have been higher. Nothing would have been more catastrophic, he said. Not one got everything they wanted, but the American people got what they needed, President Biden said, and saying a compromise and consensus in the deal, saying we averted an economic crisis and an economic collapse. And more specifically, when it comes to Social Security, what he said here is we're cutting spending and bringing deficits down at the same time. We're protecting important priorities from Social Security to Medicare to Medicaid to veterans to our transformational investments in infrastructure and clean energy. So when it comes to Social Security, looks like it has been saved, because up until this point, before the big bill got signed, we didn't know if Social Security was going to be delayed, if payments were going to be delayed, if there were going to be cuts. There was a lot of uncertainty, but now that this bill has been signed, it's out of the way, we don't have to worry about this drama anymore. Looks like there is the official payment schedule for the month of June, and it looks like every payment schedule after that is going to be good as well. So if you're curious what the payment schedule is going to be now that the debt ceiling drama is out of the way, so Social Security schedule when benefits will arrive in June. So now the official payment schedule is no changes to this. It's going to be, so now we're June 14th. Social Security benefits are paid for individuals born between June 1st and June 10th. June 21st, Social Security benefits are paid for individuals born June 11th to June 20th, and June 28th for Social Security benefits for individuals born between June 21st and the 31st. So if you're on SSI, you should have already gotten your check June 1st. And yes, so that's the official June payment schedule. Now that this bill is out of the way, we don't have to worry about delays. We don't have to worry about Social Security cuts, at least at the moment for now. But when it comes to different changes to Social Security, so for Social Security shakeups from Biden that could hit your wallet by 2024. So if these changes happen, it could hit your wallet in a positive way. So I'll give you these four changes, let you know what is going on, what you can expect, and also that $485 increase. So let's go over those right now. One of the changes that President Biden wants that lawmakers want as well. And if it was up to the lawmakers proposing these bills and changes and proposals, if it was up to the lawmakers to pass it, the ones that wanted it, they would pass it right away. But because not all lawmakers, Congress is not on the side of this, which is the reason for the delay. But now that the debt drama is out of the way, it should free up more time for them to focus on Social Security and increasing it, hopefully not cutting it. But stay tuned over the next few weeks as we're probably going to see some more energy and time put into Social Security. So first one, implement payroll tax for income over $400,000. So currently, any earned income below $160,000 is subject to a 12.4 payroll tax. Earnings exceeding that amount are not subject to OASI taxes, and Biden plans to tax earned income above $400,000, leaving wages above $160,000 up to $400,000 untaxed. Change the way COLA increases are calculated. So this is long overdue. It's been spoken about a lot, but basically the administration uses the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, so the CPIW, which is a totally different way that seniors are living. Compared to the COLA adjustments would be a CPI, or Consumer Price Index, for the elderly. So it won't completely solve the problem of Social Security running out, but that alone will give a higher pay if you're on Social Security. Rather than the COLA, which may be cut in half for next year, it could be a little bit higher if there is a CPIE calculation instead of the CPIW calculation. So that could definitely give a higher amount of payout when it comes to the COLA and what you would get on a monthly basis for Social Security. Then we have increased the primary insurance amount. The primary insurance amount, the PIA, is a figure indicating how much money you'll receive in Social Security benefits depending on the age you begin claiming benefits and your average index monthly earnings. Increasing the PIA for Americans aged 78 to 82 would help those who experience rising expenses such as healthcare later in life. So that would help, that would add more money, but here is the big change right here that would help give a higher Social Security payout on a monthly basis, a higher up to $485 per month on a monthly basis. So let's get into that right now. Increase the special minimum benefit for lifetime low-wage workers. So low-wage earners receive a special minimum benefit regardless of how much they made while they worked. In 2023, a lifetime low-earning worker would receive just $12,402 in Social Security benefits annually, or just $1,033 per month. Biden intends to increase the minimum benefit to 125% of the federal poverty level for an individual. As an example, in 2023, someone receiving the special minimum benefit would receive $1,518 per month with the boost. So, using the specific example just for 2023, not even saying how much more it could be for 2024, if this were to pass in 2023, which there's still time to do so, let's do the calculation. So 1,518 minus $1,033, that comes out to, oh, I had it over here before, but let's just calculate it right now. I'll show you the exact math. So that is 1,518 minus 1,033 comes out to $485 increase per month for low-wage earners. So this could definitely help out people who were living on low income the majority of their life rather than living below the poverty line. It would be 125% or just 25% above the poverty level, which would give an additional $485. So that's how those numbers get calculated, $485 more per month. Now, how much more would you get for the year? So if we multiply that by 12, that would give an additional $5,820 more per year. Under these calculations, if President Biden makes these changes happen for 2023, which could go into effect for 2024. Numbers could be even higher if it is going to wait for the numbers to be calculated for 2024. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. An extra $5,820 for your Social Security benefits per year. Is that good enough? Is that high enough? Or the $485 per month, is that high enough? Let me know your thoughts on all of that. And that is all the news that I have for you today. When it comes to hopefully brighten your day a bit, here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Guys, Bella, this is the tip of the day. I want to tell you something that you should always do. Sometimes just sit on your bed or like sit at a table on like your counter and like sit down and take like 10 breaths. Breathe in and breathe out because you need yourself to feel relaxed. And that's all I wanted to tell you for today. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all of your support. If you like how I got straight to the point, let you know the numbers, show you exactly what is going on from the articles, giving you the proof, subscribe to the channel as I'm giving as many Social Security updates as possible to help you to hopefully clear up the confusion. And I'm trying to do it as specifically as possible, just let you know exactly what is going on. So if you appreciate that, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates. And if you want to check out the latest news on Social Security updates, I recommend clicking this video right up here. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.